This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Everyone keeps talking about AI coding agents right now, but most people still think they're just smarter autocomplete. Claude Code is not that. This thing literally goes inside your codebase, reads your files, runs terminal commands, fixes bugs, installs packages, and can even search documentation by itself. And honestly, the first time you watch it work feels a little unsettling, because it doesn't feel like a chatbot anymore. It feels like a junior developer living inside your terminal. Most AI tools today work like this. You copy code, paste it into ChatGPT, wait for an answer, copy it back, test it, fix errors yourself. Claude Code skips almost all of that. It has direct access to your project. So instead of saying, "Hey, here's the error," you can literally say, "Find the bug." And then you watch it start exploring your entire codebase on its own. It runs commands, searches files, reads dependencies, checks configs, runs tests. One example from Anthropic's demo showed Claude automatically scanning a project looking for WebP image conversion logic. It used terminal commands to trace files and understand the app structure completely by itself. That's the huge difference. This isn't AI answering questions. This is AI taking actions. And that's where the word agent comes in. An AI agent is basically an AI that can think, act, observe results, then keep going until the goal is finished. So instead of one response and done, the loop becomes think, do something, see what happened, adjust, continue. That's why Claude Code feels different from normal AI chatbots. It can literally run your build script, see the errors, then try fixing them automatically. One clip showed it installing packages, running TypeScript checks, and then deciding what to do next based on the output. That's insane. And the scary part? This is probably the worst these agents will ever be. Because right now, Claude Code already works in Terminal, VS Code, JetBrains, even the Claude desktop app. Meaning developers are slowly moving from AI assistant to AI coworker. But there's something important people are ignoring. Claude Code is powerful, but it's not magic. Anthropic themselves admit it can still misunderstand your intent, create bugs, or over-engineer solutions. And honestly, that's the part most viral videos won't tell you. If you blindly trust AI agents right now, you're going to break things fast. The people winning with tools like Claude Code aren't the ones replacing developers. They're the developers who learn how to direct AI properly. That's the real shift happening. Programming is slowly becoming less about typing every line manually and more about managing intelligent systems. And if this is what AI agents look like in 2026, imagine what happens when they become fully autonomous. That's the part that should probably keep everyone awake. Subscribe to AIX if you want more videos on the AI tools quietly changing everything behind the scenes.